Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Mike here at RCRX. As you can see, I've been wrenching away on the stretch Typhon. Got the M2C Creighton speed chassis on here, guys. Bringing you a quick update because I want to let anybody know who is planning on putting this chassis on their car, on their stretch Typhon. It's definitely worth it. This chassis is awesome. And if you're using stock Typhon gear, the Creighton gear, anything like that, you won't have any issues. They do have a relief cut for the gear on this side here. But I wanted to show you if you use the limitless gear, the GP5, it is on this side. There's no relief cut in the chassis on that side. So if you put it straight on, it's going to rub on the chassis pretty heavily. So the fix is to flip the gear to the other side. Now on the limitless diff, it's not clearanced on this bolt hole here for that gear to be on that side. So it will rub and you'll have to do some clearancing here. And on the front, at least, it's still rubbed even in that little clearanced area. So I did have to Dremel out some more. And I'm assuming that the limitless diff gear is on this side because the motor's in the front and turning a different direction. So, but anyway, guys, not a big deal. I actually didn't have to clearance it on the chassis in the back. Once I flipped the gear and clearanced the housing, the gear actually didn't hit back here, but it still did in the front. So if you're planning on stretching your Typhon and using the M2C chassis, which I fully recommend this chassis. This chassis is beautiful. 7075. I did reach out to M2C, and Avery emailed me back. And we sent a few emails back and forth on the issues I was having, and he had never heard of it. They don't sell tons of these chassis, he says. So for you guys who want to do speed runs and use this chassis, if you're using the limitless diffs, you'll have to do a little bit of clearancing. No big deal, but man, it worked out perfectly once I got all that stuff done. So I did break a lot of things on this car when I hit the truck with it. As you can see, it snapped off both front shock holders here. I have that fixed now. I replaced the front steering with the limitless steering. Also put bearings in the front here, so no more bushings, and the steering is awesome. Everything is super tight up front now. Got the scorched parts shafts in here. Got the Trident shaft. Shaft in the back. These things are huge compared to the stock stuff. So hopefully all that works good. Got new bearings in the wheels. So guys, I'm just gonna have to, I'll put new bearings in the back here, and then I'll get the back put back together. Waiting on a battery box I ordered for, it's a hot racing battery box that'll hold a 4S battery or a 3S. But yeah, guys, just coming together good. Hopefully have it together here in a couple of days and be doing some test runs with it. I will have to drill a 4mm hole there so that I can put the M2C chassis brace in here, which I was wondering with the larger drive shafts if it was going to work, but it looks like everything's going to clear good. So that deed will be in there. Yeah, it's going to be a good tough build. Hopefully I don't have to test out how tough it is, but guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Hope everybody has a Happy New Year. Hope we all have a good 2024. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.